This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 65 of Building Robocop. In this issue, electronics, we got the circuit board to fit. The journey to the small screen, the process of bringing Robocop to TV. Took many cues from the saga and altered others to lower the level of violence. And for a smaller budget as well, because, yeah, obviously, a very, very violent Robocop. New face under the armour, Peter Weller, Robert John Burke, replacement for the third film. I didn't realise he wasn't in the third film, but there you go. Return to the Honour Robocop farewell. New leading man, Richard Eden. Okay. Eden assumed that Alex Murphy had accepted the inevitable impossibility of being with his family, but he could still offer them protection from a distance. Okay. Yeah. So this issue, we've got the circuit board with 4 washers and screws to fit it. Yeah, so I'm not sure. Got A, B, and C connections. C is obviously the speaker. We've got a little IC on there. Don't know exactly what it's for, but yeah, we're plugging in the C cable. Well, so we'll get that fitted. Then next time, I think we're continuing with the waste a little bit more. That'll be the last one of this batch. Nanobots. Nanorobots. I thought we were just calling them nanobots. Oh well, nanorobots. Why not? Yeah, they can do all sorts of things on a very small scale. This is 100 years of robots. Paper-based diagnostics. Yeah, test strips and things. Colours react in different ways to different things, so yeah, they can use that. On a chip. Paper is treated with a water-resistant polymer. Liquid flows. Okay, that's interesting. So it's designed to repel water unless it goes into the particular bits. Fair enough. New materials and artificial intelligence. Blood test or something. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's have a look and get this chess piece finished. Right, so this is what we've got from before, which we're going to be fitting that to. This is the board that we have, which, as I say, it's got 3 sockets to it. Only one of which we're going to be using for now. We've got some screws that are going to hold it in place. As ever, one spare bit of paper back in there so we know what screw that is. Put that with the others. And we've got 4 washers that hold that together, so we'll keep the bag, because you never know when you might need a bag. So this is going onto there like so. Actually fits quite nicely over those pins, which is why we need the washers to go over the top of that. Now I'm going to do it a little bit differently to the instructions, because that's going to be a bit of a pain to get plugged in when it's on board. So what I am going to do is move the out of the way. I'm going to plug it in now and then get the board attached. I won't be able to do that on the other sides, but that seems the best way of doing that to me, that I can get that on there. Then I don't have to fight against the corner to get that attached in there like that. So that would be doing that. We'll get a washer over there. Then we'll get a screw to that plate. We'll do the same on the other 3 corners. I'm going to do the opposite corner first. Stop it trying to escape. There. I wonder what A and B are going to be. The head doesn't have any illumination or anything in it. There can't be anything on there. I don't think there's any motorized anything. The speaker there is going to deal with the sound. I can only assume that there's going to be some sort of light. I mean, one of these might well be power coming in. You need power for everything. Seems to have escaped. Is back down there again. Go. Yeah, so I don't know. Does anybody remember anything from the advertising or anything from this? There any light up bits? Robocop have any light up bits? I don't think he does. Anything else comes to mind as being, you know, having a light up at all? I wouldn't have thought so, but it's possible. But there you go. That is that. That's this chess piece basically finished now. We're obviously going to add some other things to it, but for now, that is that. Next time, I'm returning back to the waist and putting another little bit on that. And then we're waiting for the next pack. So I shall see you in a couple of days for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.